Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I want to discuss about the car loans that we take, right, usually, and how to choose that loans, which banks will offer the best loans for us. I'm going to discuss about that today, and I'll tell you what from which bank I took the loan for this MG Access. Coming to bank loans for the private banks like Axis, HDFC, what these banks will do is they'll charge more interest rate along with some fee charges they'll do while taking the loan, right? If suppose you're taking a 5 lakhs of loan for the vehicle, they'll charge around 5% on that loan for your vehicle, and paperwork and all those include for that 5 lakhs you have to pay extra 20,000 for that loan that you are going to take. For me, I had a good civil score around 700 above 780 something. For that, they offered me with 11% of interest. I got a car loan for that, and they are charging me some 20,000 for paperwork for me. I'm in a stage of thinking like that. Every bank will do the same like this. They'll have the paperwork charges and everything. And apart from this, if you want to pre-close your car loan, then you have to pay extra 5% on the remaining loan amount that you had. For suppose you had paid around 1 lakh loan cleared and 4 lakhs is remaining. At that time you want to close your loan with that 4 lakhs. The bank is going to charge you 5% for that 4 lakhs, and means that 5% means 20,000 they are going to charge on your loan that you are going to pre-close. This is kind of loss to us by doing this. I'm in thinking stage to take that loan or not, or to fully pay the cash. At that time, I got to know from my one of my friends that the government banks, which are Indian banks, central bank, like these banks, they'll provide loan without any paperwork and no pre-closure charges on that. uh, and we save a lot of money on that. So if you are pre-closing your loan whenever you have money, it's good to take loan from these banks and have that. And for safety, if you want to take insurance on that loan, they'll give insurance also. If you can't pay for some reasons, they'll take that from insurance, that loan. So I prefer to take loan from government banks like central bank or Indian bank, like these banks, SBI. Choose prefer those banks for this. And I took personally I took loan from Indian bank. They had approached to me at the final day. They had came to me while going. I'm going to take delivery, right? Almost paperwork done in Axis Bank for me for the loan related thing. At that time they came to me and I want immediate delivery of the car same day. And they called me and said we don't have any paperwork and no pre-closure charges, and they are offering fixed rate of interest. And you need to check this also while taking loan from government banks like this, Indian Bank or Central Bank. There might be floating rates also, but we have to select for only this fixed rate of interest. Ask for the bank manager regarding this. They will explain you this how your loan interest rate is going to be. And you need to get this confirmation regarding this floating rate or fixed rate, because some banks will, if you don't ask, they'll go on with floating rate and you will be charged more after that. And you need to be sure on that you are getting a fixed rate of interest for your vehicle. And I got an I'm having a civil score of 780 and I got around 8.95% of interest, fixed rate interest for my loan. I took around 7 lakhs of loan for this vehicle, and I'm pre-closing it also now, and I'm not having any charges imposed on me for pre-closing it. That, and it's pretty decent that the bank, the manager contacting us and giving all the facilities. And now I'll explain you the thing that how I got the loan in 1 day process. And actually the day they called me, before the delivery day they called me, and we had a discussion around how they are going to give me the loan. I'm staying out of my state and I'm doing whole online process. They want some signatures of me to process the loan, and the loan process went very smooth. The day I came to my home, on the delivery day, and I traveled to the showroom location, Nellore, and there the bank people only came to the station and picked me up to the bank, and they had every detail that they had created an account and processed the loan within 2 to 3 hours. It's all completed. just for the signature purpose, they took me to the bank for 5 minutes, and after that they only dropped me at the showroom, and they went and cleared all the loan processes, and by 12 p.m. They came to me with the loan to showroom, and directly they had transferred the amount to showroom people, and my delivery process went very smooth. And the way of contacting by the bank and everything, it was very smooth, and they deal they are dealing with the customers very smoothly, and they are very concerned about us like that. And I hope this is the best choice to go if you are going for a car loan. Don't go for private banks, as they are going to charge more. After pre-closing also, you are going to pay your some amount for the loan that you are closing with, 5% of the loan amount that you are remaining with. I prefer not to go for that. But please, if you are a valued customer of Axis or HDFC, if they are giving good offers for you, then go for it. No problem on that. But if you are getting any charges applied on that and all this, I prefer to say not to go with that. And interest rates also, compared to this government bank, Axis banks and HDFC bank, they are charging more interest rate according to the civil score that we had. So this is about my experience, how I had this bank loan process, and I got the loan at 8.95 interest rate, and I no pre-closure charges on my account and anything. They had smoothly created my account. Everything went in 5 minutes of time, and not a time consuming process also. But you need to signature a lot of papers for this, and this is the only thing. And after pre-closing, the bank name that should be removed from RC, right? That NOC and all, they said they'll provide online if I don't want to come to bank, or I can do that from bank application. They said it's really cool that every process is going to be done very smoothly. That's it for this loan purpose and everything. If you like the information, like, share, subscribe. In this hottest day, we are doing this video with very lot of efforts. Please consider us, subscribe, like.